In this guide, we will show you how to insert a picture into a shape in PowerPoint. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First, add your picture to PowerPoint. Select it and go to the top menu, click on Picture Format. Then go to the right and click on Crop. Adjust the picture into a square using the corner and edge points by clicking, holding and dragging. Once you are satisfied with the crop, press enter or click outside the picture. Right click on the picture and select cut. Next go to top menu, click on insert and then shapes. Choose the shape you want to use. For example, select a pentagon. Click, hold and drag to draw the shape. Hold shift to maintain the aspect ratio. After drawing the shape, right click on it and select Format Shape on the right. Expand the fill section, click on Picture or Texture Fill and select Clipboard. If you want to remove the outline, expand the line section and select No Line. Now you can position the shape with the picture wherever you like. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.